Operation SINDOOR gi manung channa India amasung Pakistan anigi marakta numit marini khut thoknakiba aduda Kargil dagi puraklaga khinkhiba Indian Army gi air defense gun singna Pakistani drone chahum Rom Kapthaba Ngamkhi HAIRI Deccan Herald gi report amana hai tha asigi tareta Indian Armed Force na Pakistan amasung Pakistan occupied Kashmir da leiba tongan ba terror infrastructure singda strike chatakhiba matam aduda Chief of Defense Staff General Anil Chauhan Army Headquarters manungda action adu monitor tawduna leikhi Indian Army gi bat chit haina mingthonba tha khudingi phongba newsletter amada Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi Indian Air Force ki Chief Air Chief Marshal AP Singh amadi Indian Navy gi Chief Admiral Dinesh Tripathi yauna Indian Army gi Vice Chief Lieutenant General NS Raja Subramani amadi Director General Military Operations Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghaisu mafam aduda leikhi HAIRI newsletter aduda yawba photo amada yawba matamgi matung inna photo adu May 8 ki nongai matung pung amaga minute mangada nambani haiba khangba ngamli hainasu report aduna makhatari